This is your Unit 3, Week 3, Part 2 assessment. The comprehension skill we have been working on this week is cause. Cause is why something happens, and effect is what happened. The read aloud today is Meet Our Flag, Old Glory is the title. So get your listening ears ready. Meet our flag, Old Glory. She's red and blue and white. Her stripes are like a peppermint's. Her stars are big and bright. Old Glory is America. She belongs to me and you. She waves above this wondrous land, singing, "Make your dreams come true." I show her that I'm faithful before my school day starts. I pledge allegiance to the flag with my hand upon my heart. Whenever I spy Old Glory, I feel so proud and strong. I see her at the ball game, soaring high above the crowd. I place her near lost loved ones. I wave her to a tune. She flies outside my own front door. She's even on the moon. She stands for all of our heroes, courageous, strong, and brave. She reminds us of the freedoms they fought to win and save. Oh, glory's all around us, a bold and brilliant sight, especially on the 4th of July when her spirit lights the night. The end. Take the time to re-listen to Meet Our Flag, Old Glory and complete the activity on the next slide about our comprehension skill, cause and effect.